Alright guys, welcome to TechCrew's new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bootable USB for pretty much any operating system that you would like to install. So let's get started. Go to your start menu and type in command prompt. Right click on it and run as administrator, and you can go ahead and click yes, and you'll see a black box would appear right here, as you can see on my screen. And in the screen you would want to type diskpart. I'll have all the links and descriptions on the box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. So enter. Just give it a second, it's gonna be loaded, and it'll pop up as a diskpart. Now go into your start menu, computer, and make sure what letters assigned to your USB, such as mine is I right here. You can see. Check out yours and see what it is and keep it in mind. I'm gonna X out now. After you're in diskpart, type in list disk, and also I'm gonna have these in the description box, so you can go ahead and check them out. And you'll see pretty much every disk that's online right now. Look for the one that you have, such as I have my 8 gig USB right here. And if you're not sure, you can go ahead and type in detail disk and select one of the disks, such as I'm going to be selecting disk 3 for example, and it'll pop up saying that this is your USB. It'll come up with your capacity, if it's actually 8 gigs or if it has any storage, and then you can decide which one is yours. So right now I'm going to just go back to mine, which is disk 3. After you have selected your disk, you want to format it. So in order to format it, just type in clean. Just give it a second, it'll be done. After that, you want to create a partition. So you can go ahead and type in create partition primary. Just give it a sec, it should be done. Okay. After that, type in select partition 1 and click enter. After that, type in active. Okay, pretty much you'll have all these steps done. Next, it's the main step. You do not want to mess up in this step. Alright, now this is the format file, which is actually going to create it into a bootable. So look in the description box below exactly what I'm going to do right now. Type in format space FS equal FAT32. Enter. So yeah, it might take a little while here, so I'll be back soon. Stay tuned, and then I'll list all the other steps you need in order to create a bootable file. Alright guys, I'm back and my loading just got completed. Alright, once your loading is completed, the next step is to assign a partition. So type in assign. Oops. ASSIN. Okay, and now you have to go back into start, my computer, and your name symbol should have changed, such as mine was I before, now it's K. So remember that. Now the next step is really important, so you want to remember your new symbol. Mine's K. So X out of that, X. And in your command prompt you can type in exit. Alright, you should be out of the disk partition. And the next step is to actually send your iOS file to the USB. So before doing that, you want to have a file, like right here I have my Windows 7 I want to send to it. You can have Windows 7 Professional, XP, Vista, whatever. So next step is to type in, this is kind of a tough step. Look in the description box below. Type in xcopy space, and now go back computer, mine's gonna be J, xcopy, and remember the symbol for your CD drive too, or you can actually download Power ISO, which I'm gonna be using right here, and attach your ISO file virtually to your DVD drive. So I'm going to be using K. That's where my driver is for my operating system. Colon dash star dot star dash S dash E dash F space. Yes, please look in the description box. I don't want you guys to mess up. Colon slash and 1 second, guys. Okay. And enter. Alright guys, after you guys are done typing in the code, you'll see this long process starting up. Just give it a while. It's not going to take that long. After this, you'll have your ISO file or your Windows 7 onto your USB. I'm going to be waiting here. And after that, you want to restart your computer, enter your BIOS, and in your BIOS, change your boot into your USB. So whenever you start your computer, it'll start from the USB. And after that, you can continue your process of installing it onto your SSD or hard drive. In my case, it's going to be my SSD. So thank you for watching my video. I hope your setup goes right, and I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe.